A corporate event is a gathering organized by a business, an organization, or the public to engage in specific activities. Events are organized to serve the purposes of organizations. Such purposes can be product launches, educating the audience about company initiatives, celebrating milestones, or to support any other objective of the organization. Corporate events require meticulous planning and precise execution. This video will guide you through the process of delivering outstanding corporate events in 7 steps. Step 1. Pre-event research. Every successful corporate event starts with research. It's essential to understand attendee expectations and industry trends. This might involve conducting surveys, exploring social media trends, or researching successful events within your industry. Research is crucial in shaping the event's theme and ensuring it resonates with the target audience. Step 2. Goal setting. With the data from your research, the next step is setting clear and measurable goals. Goals could be to foster business relationships or rewarding employees for their hard work. Clear goals will guide decisions towards the organization's objectives. Step 3. Formulating plans. Formulating a smart plan is the next step. This means the plan must be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. The plan can include general things like deciding on an event theme, choosing a suitable venue, and scheduling major activities. At this step, you should draft an event agenda and reach out to partners, vendors, and suppliers. Step 4. Fine-tuning details. Fine-tuning your plan involves adapting the details to the reality of the environment. It includes issues like curating a menu, deciding on decor, lighting, audiovisual equipment arrangements, or organizing transportation and accommodation for guests. Step 5. Event promotion. With your event details in place, it's time to promote it. Promotion might involve leveraging social media, designing promotional materials, sending email invites, and reaching out to industry influencers. The aim is to create a buzz around your event that would attract the right audience. Step 6. Event production. This is where your plans come to life. During the event, pay attention to guest management and safety, motivating your team, coordinating with partners, and keeping to the program. This step requires strong teamwork and problem-solving skills to deal with any unforeseen challenges. And finally, Step 7. Event evaluation. After the event, the work isn't over. Event evaluation is a crucial step to assess the success of the event against the set goals. Collect feedback from attendees, review your observations, and analyze what worked and what could be improved. These insights are invaluable for improving performance in future events. Remember the 7 steps. Research. Set your goals. Plan. Fine-tune details. Promote. Execute. Evaluate. Who knows? You might just be the next event guru the world has been awaiting. At Corporate Event Managers, we hope to accompany you to your professional stardom. We believe that real magic happens during the journey and not at the destination. Thanks for watching.